my channel. I'm sure today you're wondering, what does $2,800 get you a month in Singapore for an apartment? Well, I'm here to tell you today what my apartment looks like and what I'm getting for $2,800 a month. But if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Marie and I'm a South African living in Singapore, and I make videos about life in Singapore. And I've been currently living in Singapore for roughly about 6 years altogether now, so it's been quite some time. So I just enjoy making videos and sharing everything that I've learned through these years about traveling, life abroad, life as an expat with you guys out there. And I have my little dog with me, Zoe. I recently moved into a new apartment after living in my previous apartment for about 3 years. So for $2,800, I'm getting a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium here in Singapore. Now, I think it is a great price for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium in Singapore, because usually they only start around about $3,000, and because it is such a new building and it's quite modern, I got really lucky, and that's why when this went onto the market, I went for it and I was like, this is mine, get it. Thank you very much. And so this apartment also came partially furnished. Now, partially furnished means that there's no furniture in it. You can request furniture if you do want, but most of the time partially furnished means you only get your fridge, you get your dishwasher, and you get curtains. And so that's what I wanted, because I've been living in Singapore for a few years. I have my own furniture. I like to style my own place according to my style and what I like. I thought it was a great opportunity for me to move, because my previous owner in my previous apartment, they sold the apartment, so I kind of had to move. So if you're curious about the moving process and what involves in moving in Singapore, I will make another video about that, and I'll be posting that next week. So please have a look out for that in regards to all the admin and everything that goes into moving. So I signed a 2-year contract with this current lease. So that means when you sign your lease, you have an option of choosing between basically a year or 2 years. If you're looking at renting for shorter periods of time, I would recommend perhaps looking at co-living apartments. I'll make another video about that as well, but definitely check out co-living then if you are looking for a shorter term rental. So I am renting for 2 years, so that also means that I had to pay 2 months deposit upfront and my next month rental upfront. So yes, moving is not cheap. It is quite expensive. And also now, because this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, there are 4 air cons in this unit, whereas previously I only had 2 aircon units. I'm sure the utility bills will go up, but again, I will speak about that in another video when I receive my first month utility bill as well, where I can compare it between a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom apartment, because this is my first month here. I don't have that yet. Zoe's in a very playful mood now. Alright, so let me show you around the apartment. So come along with me, let's go. Alright, so when we come in, it is the shoe cupboard. This is from the previous apartment as well. And it came over with us. And this is a cabinet that we got from IKEA. So this one actually is much needed, because I'll show you now, the kitchen does not have that many cupboards. So as you can see, the kitchen is an open plan kitchen, and yeah, there's not a lot of cupboards, so we definitely needed something extra. And then what I really like is this island, so no need for an extra table in the house. And I got these chairs from Comfort Design, but they're super comfortable. I'll also link a link to them down below. And so yeah, so the kitchen I really like the fact that it is an open kitchen. I do like it. We have an oven and a microwave, so we're very lucky, because usually in Asian apartments, ovens are not really such a big thing. Another thing though that I was really excited about is to have the rubbish chute in the kitchen and inside the house. But the only thing is, now you hear everyone's trash going down the chute, which is a little bit annoying, because every now and then you hear things falling down, and some people even throw glass down. This is a storage, my IKEA shelf that I just flipped over. some mirrors on the wall, and then a fruit bowl and my coffee station. Well, the filter coffee machine I bought for the office, so when I go back to the office I will take it in to make some coffee for everyone. It's been a tough year, we need more coffee. And this Philips coffee machine I just recently got a few days ago on the Lazada 6/6 sale. So it's usually around $999, and with all the discounts, vouchers and everything, I ultimately only ended up paying about $530 for it. And this is little Zoe's food station. Yum, 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 yum. And yes, so here I got a plant. This plant is a fake plant. This is from IKEA, and my Dyson fan. I really think this has been one of the best purchases in my life, a Dyson fan. It really, really cools the room, even though it's very humid here. When I use the Dyson fan, I don't even need aircon. So that's pretty amazing. And then the TV shelf is also new, and the TV shelf I got from HipFan. So yeah, they deliver it and they assemble it on delivery, so that's pretty amazing, and I really like that. And then yes, the carpet. This carpet I got from Castlery online, but the only thing is it stinks like a pig's farm when you open it, because it's all handmade from recyclable materials. And I got some new pillows for the couch. So these pillows are from Bed Bath & Table. I got it on their sale again. I really like the texture on it. I actually want to get some more, and maybe in the future I want to get a new couch. Hey Zoe, this is her favorite place to lie. Hey, you like the new apartment? Yes. And then we also have a second bathroom. So this is the second bathroom. Yeah, it's not very big, but it is enough. You know, shower and a toilet and a Zoe. Hi Zoe. Then the main bedroom, as we walk in, this is what it looks like. Hi Zoe. Hi. Right, so the plant I got from HipFan, and then also the bedside table. The light is from IKEA, and this is really cool because this one can change. It is a remote, and then you can change the colors on it. So if you want it more bright, if you want to change it to purple, blue, create an ambiance. Yeah, so I think this is pretty cool. Zoe is sniffing at the camera. Zoe! The bedding I got at Bed Bath & Table. Whew, I love Bed Bath & Table, but it is a dangerous place because once you go in, it's difficult to get out without something, but I make sure I mainly just go when it is sale time. So, but these big pillows I got from IKEA. These ones I got from Shein. They were actually very well priced, like $4. And then this one I also got from Shein, another $4. So I just really like the bedding because it has a nice texture to it. It's fluffy. Zoe, do you like it? Yes? You do? You do? Good girl. And then we have a bomb shelter, but it is my closet. So my bags are up there, and yeah, it's not very neat, but I really love it because I feel like I have my own walk-in closet. And who doesn't like that? Zoe! Is it time to exercise now? Are you telling me it's time to exercise later? And then my bathroom. So I really like my bathroom. It gives me hotel vibes. So I think I really like the color scheme to it. I like the tiles they used, and I just really think it is a nice style bathroom. So it has a shower with a nice rain shower head, and yeah. So these towels I also got from Bed Bath & Table. They're really, I think they're a little bit different. So I got them in the charcoal color and the white color. You know, gotta get one of each. And then the best diffuser is also from Bed Bath & Table. This is from Ikoya, and It smells divine. So if you really like to make your house smell lovely and delicious, then I highly recommend this range. And this is the guava. This is the guava. And then we have the study. So, my favorite room, because I just got my setup. Now this room is a little bit empty, it feels a little bit cold, it needs a bit of warmth, but yeah, so this is where I sit and I work and I edit my videos and I look out the window and I think about the day and I think about life. And yeah, so hey, that is it. That is it. A little bit messy, as you can see. So thinking about what to put up for decorations on the top, and sort it all out. But yeah, and then just storage over there. My vacuum over here, best vacuum ever. So this is really an amazing vacuum. And then just an extra cupboard, which is also great for storage. And yeah. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the tour of my 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment here in Singapore. And if you have any questions about anything about renting in Singapore, please leave in the comment section down below and I can answer your questions in my next video. So yes, let me know as well, what else would you like me to film about in Singapore if you have any questions or things that you're curious of or that I can help out with. And yes, I post once a week on a Friday, so please have a look out for my videos. And if you haven't yet, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. So have a fantastic week and remember, be good, do good, keep on smiling. Bye!